I am going to discuss about the BME multiple choice type questions. The first question is the velocity ratio of two pulleys connected by an open belt or cross belt is, and there are four options, and the right option is inversely proportional to their diameter. The second question is the distance between the hinge center of a link and the corresponding hinge center of the adjacent link is called. The answer is pitch of the chain. Next question, in a cone pulley, if the sum of radii of the pulley on the driving and the driven shaft is constant, then cross belt drive is recommended. The option is B. Question number 4. Due to slip of the belt, the velocity ratio of the belt drive decreases. Remember this. Due to slip, the velocity ratio decreases. Question number 5. When two pulleys of different diameters are connected by means of an open belt drive, then the angle of contact taken into consideration should be of the smaller pulley. When when the pulleys of different diameter are connected by means of open belt drive, then the angle of contact is taken for smaller pulley only. Next question, the power transmitted by a belt is maximum when the maximum tension in the belt is equal to 3 Tc, T equal to 3 Tc, where Tc equal to centrifugal tension of the belt drive. Next question, the velocity of belt for maximum power is, the answer is root over of T by 3m. Next question, the centrifugal tension in belt have no effect on the power transmission. The answer is C. Question number 9, when the belt is stationary, it is subjected to some tension known as initial tension. The value of tension is equal to, the answer is average tension of the tight side and slack side of the belt. Option D. Next question, the relation between pitch of the chain and pitch circle diameter of the sprocket is given by, option is D, P equal to D sine 180 by T, where T is the tension, D is the diameter of the sprocket, and P is the pitch of the chain. Next question, in a cone pulley, if the sum of radii of pulleys on the driving and driven shaft is constant, then cross belt drive is recommended. Option B. Next question, due to slip of the belt, the velocity ratio of the belt drive increases. It is false. Due to slip, the velocity ratio decreases is the answer. Next question, when two pulleys of different diameters are connected by means of an open belt, the angle of contact at the smaller pulley must be taken into consideration. The option is A. Next question, the power transmitted by a belt is maximum when maximum tension in the belt is 3 times that of centrifugal tension, that is T equal to 3 Tc. Next question, the centrifugal tension on the belt has no effect on the power transmitted. It is true. Centrifugal tension has no effect on the power transmitted. V belts are usually used for short drives. Remember, V belts are used for short drives. Next question, in a multiple V belt drive, if one of the belt is broken, then you should replace all the belts. The option is B. Next question, the included angle for the V belt is 30 to 40 degree. The option is C. The included angle for V belt is 30 to 40. Next question, in a multiple V belt drive, when single belt is damaged, it is preferred to change the complete set due to ensure uniform loading. Due to ensure uniform loading. In a multiple V belt, all belts should stretch at the same rate. In a multiple V belt, all the belts should stretch at the same rate. It is true. The option is A. Next question, the ratio of driving tension for belt V belt is cosec beta times that of the flat belt. That is option C. Next question, which of the following chains are used for transmission of power when distance between the center shaft is short? Remember, when the distance between the center shaft is short, then block chain are used. Block chains are used. The option is D. 22D. Creep in a belt drive is due to, the option is C, uneven extension and contraction of the belt when it passes from tight side to slack side. Next question, the centrifugal tension in belt have no effect on power transmission. The option is C. When belt is stationary, it is subjected to some tension known as initial tension. The value of this tension equal to average tension of tight side and slack side of the belt. The value of the tension is option D, average tension of tight and slack. Next question, a pulley is connected to a power transmission shaft of diameter D by means of a rectangular shank key of width W and a length L. The width of the key is taken as D by 4 for full power transmission. The shearing strength of the key is equal to the torsional shearing strength of the shaft. The ratio of length of the key to the diameter of the shaft L by D is, remember, this is N by 4 is the answer. Option A. Question number 27. V belts are particularly suitable for short drives. As previously discussed, V belt are particularly suitable for short drives. The groove angle of the pulley for V belt drive is generally usual to 30 to 40 degree. So our answer is in the option C, 32 to 38. The wire rope make contact at bottom of groove of the pulley. The wire rope makes the contact at bottom of groove of the pulley. The option is A. Which of the following statements are correct regarding power transmission through belt drive? First option, V belts are usually at high speed. Correct. V belts are used at the low speed. This is false. V belts are standard length. Correct. V angles of pulleys and belts are standardized. Correct. So the option is 1, 3 and 4 and our answer is D. What is the purpose of using steel chains to avoid slipping? The option is A. The tooth wheel in chain drives are known as sprocket. Option is A. Which of the following is true regarding the chain drive? The option is the production cost of chain is very low. This is the correct answer and the option is B. The distance between hinge centers of the two corresponding links is known as pitch. The distance between hinge centers of two corresponding links is known as pitch. Option A. The diameter of the circle on which hinge centers of the chain is known as pitch. Option A. Which of the following chains fall under the category of hosting and hauling? Chains and chains with oval links. The answer is A. Which of the following chain is used to provide elevation continuously? Conveyor chains. Types chains are providing the elevation continuously. Next question, which of the following chains are used for transmission of power when distance between the center of shaft is short? As previously discussed, block chains. Option D. Which of the following is a positive drive? Chain drive is a positive drive. Option D. The speed of sprocket reduced as the chain speed increases for a given number of teeth. The option is A. And these are some multiple type question of basic mechanical engineering.